This is your inside information, and today I've got to tell you about Inauthentics. Inauthentics are back with a vengeance. We're getting calls, chats, emails, sellers are losing listings, sellers' accounts are going down for Inauthentics, and that means you have to send Amazon invoices, and those invoices better not have any way for Amazon to poke holes in them. You need to know how to look at your invoices. And today at noon, we'll have our webinar. It's only 13 minutes long, where you can learn dozens of touch points of how to look at your invoices just like Amazon does. So please don't miss it today, 12 noon. It's going to be on Facebook. It's going to be on YouTube. 12 noon today, how to look at your invoices like an Amazonian, because Inauthentics are coming on strong. Before we talk about how you can handle Inauthentics, I want to tell you about a killer Amazon professional named Eric Heller, who's been in our space for over a decade, who works at Wunderman Thompson Commerce. It's a pretty high-end shop, and this is what they focus on: achieving explosive growth on Amazon through strategic planning and operational marketing, okay? This is not for your mom and pop. This is not for people who are just starting out. If you are a significant or advanced Amazon seller, check out Wunderman Thompson Commerce, and if you want to talk to them, specifically call and ask for Eric Heller. He is an incredible thought leader in our space. When it comes to Inauthentics, here are the basics. You need a great plan of action. Your root cause, you have to identify why the Amazon consumer had an issue in a positive way. Number two, your immediate corrective action to try and make Amazon's consumer happier. And number three, systemic improvements to your business or long-term changes to how you operate your business that can make Amazon staff comfortable enough to reinstate your account or give you back that killer listing. Then, in support of your plan of action, you must submit awesome invoices. And again, join us at 12 noon today to learn how to look at your invoices before you send it to Amazon, so that Amazon staff cannot poke holes in your invoices. It is absolutely vital information gathered from cross-examination of Amazon's lawyers, cross-examination of Amazon's executive, interviews with dozens of Amazon staff in India. So please join me at 12 noon, free webinar, 13 minutes at most, how to look at your invoices like an Amazonian.